Hello and welcome back to another video on Yuvan's tech tutorial. Today we're going to be teaching you how to sign up for Hulu. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new updates from our channel. First, go ahead and open Google Chrome or any preferred browser on your device. Then on the search box, type hulu.com. This will redirect you to the Hulu's homepage where you'll be able to see an interface such as this. In this interface, you'll be able to see that there are three bundles that are available to you, which the first one being Hulu and Disney Plus, which is $9.99 per month. You have Hulu, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus, which is for $14.99 a month. You can also sign up for Hulu only. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll also be able to see the monthly prices of different bundles or plans for signing up for Hulu. As you can see, Hulu with ads is $7.99 per month and Hulu with no ads is $17.99 per month. You'll also be given a comparison on the features on both of these packages. You can thoroughly go through them and then go to the top of the page again. If you've selected your bundle, tap on it and then you'll be redirected to a different page, which is the sign up page for Hulu. Now over here, you can again select any bundle that seems suitable to you. There's a description given below for all of these bundles. However, if you want to subscribe to Hulu only, go ahead and tap on the select button that appears at the bottom of your screen. Then you'll be redirected to this page where you're allowed to create your account for Hulu. If you've already created an account, you can also log in through this page. As you can see on the top right corner, there's a login button. If you tap on it, your login credentials will be asked and you can log into your existing Hulu account. However, if you're new to this and you want to create your new account, go ahead and fill out these boxes. In the email box, enter your email. In the password section, enter your password, enter your name, and then select your birth date by simply tapping on month and selecting the month option that is given over here. Same with day and year. Finally, select your gender. And on gender, you have 4 options: man, woman, non-binary, and prefer not to say. You can select any of these and finally tap on continue button that appears on the bottom of your screen. Now this continue button will also mean that you're agreeing to the subscriber agreement of Hulu and also their privacy policy. After you've filled out all of this information, the continue button will be enabled. After tapping on this button, it will ask for your billing credentials, whether you want to pay with your credit card or your debit card. If you want to pay with any of these cards, then it will ask for your credit card or debit card information, such as the expiry date of the cards, your card number, etc. After entering all of that information and tapping on the continue button that will appear on the bottom of your screen, you'll be signed up for Hulu. And this is how you can sign up for Hulu. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.